Welcome to Padua, Italy, an enchanting city where ancient history meets vibrant modern life. In this video, we're taking you on a journey through one of Italy's most underrated destinations. From stunning medieval architecture and iconic frescoes to lively piazzas and serene botanical gardens, Padua is bursting with charm and unique experiences. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply looking for your next travel inspiration, Padua has something special waiting for you. Get ready to explore the top 6 best things to do in this captivating Italian gem. Let's dive in. Number 6. Basilica di Sant'Antonio, the pride of Padua. Built between 1232 and 1310, this iconic church is a must-visit for travelers and a sacred place for devotees of Saint Anthony. The architecture is a fascinating blend of styles, showcasing 8 magnificent domes and elegant towers that dominate the Padua skyline. The combination of these elements creates a unique and unforgettable design. Step inside to marvel at the breathtaking interior, adorned with marble statues, intricate frescoes, and gilded accents that radiate beauty and serenity. For a spiritual experience, attend the daily Mass at 10 a.m. Whether you're here for its history, art, or spirituality, the Basilica di Sant'Antonio is unforgettable. Number 5. Palazzo Bo, dating back to the 13th century. This iconic institution is the 2nd oldest university in Italy and the 5th oldest in the world. Wander through the beautiful courtyards, and you'll be stepping into a space where legends were made. Did you know Galileo himself lectured here in the Great Hall? He spent 18 years in Padua, contributing to some of the greatest scientific advancements of his time. Inside, you'll find the world's first anatomical theater, a groundbreaking space for medical studies, and stunning frescoes. Guided tours offer an exclusive glimpse inside, so don't miss it. Number 4. Piazza dei Signori and Palazzo della Ragione. In the heart of Padua's old city, history comes alive in 3 iconic squares that have been the beating heart of local life since the Middle Ages. Between Piazza della Frutta and Piazza delle Erbe, you'll find the magnificent Palazzo della Ragione, built in 1218-19 as a medieval law court. This architectural gem boasts Europe's largest medieval hall, its walls adorned with hundreds of fresco panels depicting themes of astronomy, mythology, and the zodiac. Inside, marvel at the 15th century wooden horse, a replica of Donatello's famous Gatta Melata statue. Nearby, Piazza dei Signori features the elegant Renaissance-era Loggia del Consigli and a stunning 14th century astronomical clock. It's a step back in time you won't forget. Number 3. Villa Pisani. Just a short drive from Padua, in the town of Stra, lies the magnificent 18th century Villa Pisani, also known as Villa Nazionale. Step inside to discover its stunning galleried ballroom, where Tiepolo's breathtaking ceiling fresco from 1762 takes center stage. The villa's 100 rooms, furnished in Empire style, tell tales of the powerful Pisani family, Napoleon, and Habsburg emperors who once called this place home. But the real gem is the world-famous garden maze. With 9 concentric rings of tall, dense hedges, this puzzling labyrinth is a true test of wit. Reach the center, and you'll be rewarded with a climb to the tower for an unbeatable view of others winding through. Don't forget to explore the villa's sprawling 30-acre gardens, featuring a serene reflecting pool, charming follies, and a delightful orangery. Number 2. Prato della Valle, the heart of Padua and the largest square in Italy, and one of the largest in all of Europe. Once a swamp and later a site for jousting tournaments, this historic square was transformed in the late 1700s by Andrea Memo, whose vision turned it into the iconic plaza we see today. At the center lies a picturesque green park, encircled by a canal adorned with 78 statues, each telling a story of Padua's rich past. It's the perfect spot to stroll, skate, or simply soak up the sun. Surrounding the square, you'll find landmarks like the Benedictine Abbey of Santa Giustina and palaces from the 14th to 18th centuries. Feeling hungry? There are plenty of restaurants nearby to complete your visit. Number 1. Orto Botanico. This is the world's oldest academic botanical garden still in existence, the birthplace of all botanical gardens worldwide. It was originally created to help students identify medicinal plants, ensuring accuracy in an era when healing relied heavily on herbs. Thanks to Venice's vast trading empire, Padua became a pioneer in introducing and studying exotic species, making the garden a hub of innovation. Today, it's not just a resource for scholars, but also a sanctuary for rare and endangered plants. While walls were added in 1552 to protect these treasures, the garden's stunning geometric design remains true to its original form, offering visitors a timeless connection to nature and history.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.